Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making something super soft, fluffy and absolutely comforting, based easy pancakes, a simple breakfast that turns any morning into a happy one. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl take 2 eggs, add 3 tablespoons of sugar, mix well until it turns light and creamy. Now add 1 tablespoon butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix again. Sieve 1 cup flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Then slowly pour in half cup milk. Whisk gently until smooth. Don't overmix the batter, it makes pancakes chewy instead of fluffy. Not too thick, not too runny. Grease a pan lightly with oil or butter. Pour a ladle of batter and cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Eggs and milk make pancakes rich in protein and calcium. You can also replace sugar with honey or oats flour for a healthier version. When bubbles appear on top, flip and cook the other side for 1 minute until golden brown. Soft, fluffy and buttery, your homemade pancakes are ready. The first recorded pancake recipe came from ancient Greece. Pancakes are made in almost every country, each with its own twist. Pancake Day or Shrove Tuesday is still celebrated in many parts of the world. Always cook pancakes on low heat for even color and softness. Add a touch of butter before flipping for that golden shine. Serve them warm with honey, chocolate syrup or fresh fruits. So that's how easily you can make soft and fluffy based easy pancakes. So simple yet so delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods. Comment below what's your favorite pancake topping.